Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Soil here, and today I'm going to share 5 best cryptocurrencies to invest in 2022. Investing in cryptocurrency is risky, but investing in only one is much more riskier. So make sure you diversify your crypto portfolio to hedge your risk and increase the chance of having the next hot cryptocurrency. To achieve this goal, the coins I want to share with you are from different categories of crypto assets, and they are the less volatile one in each category. Before we start exploring these best cryptocurrencies, please give this video a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. Alright, let's begin with the first one, Bitcoin, the most widely used and invested cryptocurrency ever. At the moment, it has 41% dominance in the crypto market. Just compare it with the second dominant coin, Ethereum, which is 19%. In terms of market cap and trading volume, it's much higher than the other crypto coins. Just see how much is the difference with the second one. Its market cap is more than 2 times that the second one, Ethereum, and its trading volume is also much higher. If you're a crypto investor, you must have Bitcoin, definitely one of the most valuable crypto asset that you can have, an absolutely bright future with all the developments and adoption that is happening every day. Bitcoin primary goal was to act as global peer-to-peer digital cash. Although the goal is achieved especially through developments like Lightning Network for easier processing of more transactions, but today it's also considered as store of value, as many call it digital gold, and many governments and large financial institutions are seriously considering Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and for other macroeconomic factors. Bitcoin is the only crypto asset that I recommend with an anonymous founder. As you probably know, the creator of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto, is in fact unknown. Nobody knows who he or she is, or they might be a team. Many speculation about the identity, but no one knows. Anyway, Bitcoin software system is open sourced, and a team of top developers and cryptographers are voluntarily and actively monitoring the system. In terms of liquidity, Bitcoin has the highest liquidity in the whole crypto market, which makes it one of the best cryptocurrency to buy. You will not having any trouble buying or selling Bitcoin at a fair price because there is always someone on the other hand that match your order. In terms of price volatility, Bitcoin is one of the most stable cryptocurrencies at the moment, which makes it an ideal choice for beginners. With all being said, if you're a crypto investor and you don't have Bitcoin, you must seriously consider adding Bitcoin to your portfolio. And if you're a beginner and want to start investing in crypto market, Bitcoin should be your first choice. The next one, Ethereum, founded by Vitalik Buterin. He got the idea from Bitcoin, but he expanded the idea beyond digital cash and payments, and he introduced smart contracts. Smart contracts allow developers to launch mobile and desktop decentralized applications known as dApps on top of the Ethereum blockchain. In this video, I don't intend to discuss these concepts and technologies, and in a separate video, I'll talk more about smart contracts and dApps. Ethereum native token, Ether, is the second top crypto asset right after the Bitcoin, with market cap of much higher than the next ones. In terms of liquidity, Ethereum is also highly liquid, and its trading volume is usually ranked number 2 or 3 right below Bitcoin. In terms of price volatility, it's one of the stable crypto assets right after the Bitcoin. The Ethereum loyal community of users and developers and the strong team behind the project give the price a better chance of staying stable and increasing in the long run, which makes it a great crypto asset to invest in. In terms of crypto economics, it's true that there are many more ethers can exist in compared to Bitcoin, but keep in mind that thousands of tokens and dApps are running on Ethereum blockchain, and this means that developers and companies need Ether to fuel their smart contracts and launch their applications, and so does the users of the apps. With all being said, and with the upcoming upgrade of the Ethereum blockchain to what is called ETH2, which is a shift from proof of work consensus to proof of stake consensus, you can consider Ethereum a great crypto asset with high potential of growth. The next one is in the category of utility tokens, Binance Coin, which unlike Bitcoin, its goal is not to be used as a currency, but to be used as a utility token. This means that the value of BNB comes from how useful it is in Binance ecosystem. BNB has different use cases like fueling transactions on the chain, paying for transaction fees on Binance Exchange, making in-store payments, and many more. The strong team behind this coin, the Binance company, with Changpeng Zhao as the CEO of Binance, with all the success he and his team has achieved with Binance, it's safe to say that they have the skills and resources to run this coin on a success path. Right now, it's ranked number 4 in terms of market cap, right below the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether. In recent years, it's always been well ranked in terms of market cap and liquidity, with stable or growing increasing trading volume. In terms of price volatility, in compared to other cryptocurrencies, especially in the category of utility tokens, Binance Coin has shown a very good stability, but along with consistent growth, Binance Coin can be considered as one of the most promising cryptocurrencies with a very high potential of growth, especially in the category of utility tokens, because in compared to other utility tokens, Binance has found lots of use cases for this coin, and they are adding new use cases regularly, which increase demand for the token and growth of the price. Alright, the next one is Cardano blockchain with the internal cryptocurrency ADA, which is in the same category with Ethereum and is supposed to compete with Ethereum. Cardano goal is to be more scalable and easier for developers to use. It uses two programming languages for this purpose, and one of them is Haskell, which is known among programmers since 1980s, and Cardano intends to make it easier for developers to create decentralized applications by the help of this programming language. The team behind Cardano is very strong, with Charles Hoskinson as the co-founder of Cardano, who was also a co-founder of Ethereum as well. He also ran a leading research and development facility for blockchain technology. In the time of making this video, Cardano is ranked in the 8th place in terms of market cap, and it has a good level of liquidity due to its regularly high trading volume. In terms of price volatility, Cardano has its own ups and downs, and it's more volatile in compared to the other major cryptocurrencies already discussed. The reason we chose Cardano on this list is because it can act as a hedge against Ethereum. It may not be as promising as Ethereum, but it has the potential to grow because of its highly loyal community, and just in case that ETH2 upgrade encounters any problem, so you've already secured yourself by the help of Cardano. And the last one is Terra blockchain and its native token Luna. Terra is a blockchain that lets users create stable coins pegged to fiat currencies. Terra already has stable coins pegged to US dollars, South Korean won, and euro, among some others. In a very short period of time, the project has seen a wide popularity, and at the time of making this video, Terra USD is the 4th largest stablecoin by market cap. The Terra network native token is Luna, which is for governance and utility. Terra currencies and Luna have a complementary relationship. Luna allows holders to pay network fees, participate in governance, staking, and pegging stablecoins. In the time of making this video, Luna is in the top 10 cryptocurrencies in terms of market cap, and you can see its market cap is in the range of Cardano, Ripple, and Solana. Its trading volume is very high, much higher than Cardano, even higher than BNB, which has made it a very liquid crypto asset. Please pay attention that the price volatility of Luna is very high. It has the highest volatility in compared to other coins discussed in this video. So while you may find impressive rising with this coin in bull market, in the bear market also the falling of the price may be significantly large. In the future, opportunities for Terra will be enormous because stablecoin is an important topic in crypto market, especially with DeFi. So there is a high potential of growth for Luna, and its price will rise as the demand gradually increase for this coin. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your investments.